Hi guys, my name is Calvin from Raw Coding, and today we'll discuss variables in Python. Variables are containers used to store data values. There are three main variable types in Python. Our first variable is an integer, which only stores whole numbers. Our second variable is a float, which stores numbers that have a decimal point. Our third variable is a string. Strings are comprised of characters that are initiated with quotation marks at the start and end of the variable value. Numbers can also be classed as strings, as long as there are quotation marks between them. We can use maths functions on integers and floats. We can add the variables together, subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. As you can see at the top, the variable a is an integer, and the variable c is a string. We cannot add an integer or a float to a string. I'm going to run our program, and as you can see, it's done the plus, minus, multiply, and divide functions on the variables, but as soon as we try and add an integer or a float to a string, it gives us an error. What we can do, however, is add two strings together using a plus sign. This is called concatenation. Over here, we'll add the word coding to the string value 8. Let's run our program, and the output of our program is coding followed by the value 8. What is cool about Python is that we can create multiple individual variables on a single line. We initiate our variable names, followed by the value for each variable that we initiated. When we run our program, we can see that x has a value of 1, y has a value of orange, and z has a value of mango. When we initiate variables on a single line, they don't have to all be the same type, because x is an integer and y and z are strings. We can also assign the same value to multiple variables on a single line. Here we assign the value of 99 to x, y, and z. When we run our program, we can see that x, y, and z all have a value of 99. For my last example, I've created a variable called animal, which has the value octopus. String variables in Python are also indexed. Indexes allow us to access specific values of a string type variable. The index of a string variable starts at 0 and increments by 1 through each character. We use index values by passing in our variable name followed by the index value between square brackets. The index value of 0 will address our first variable value. When we run our program, we can see that this is an uppercase O. We can also address a range of values within our variable using the start and end index values separated by a colon. This will target the first three characters of our variable. When we run our program, we can see that it's O, C, and T. If we don't pass in another value after the colon, it will just output all values after the first argument. So over here, it will output all values after the fifth character within our variable value. This will be U and S. This concludes my introduction to variables in Python. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.